Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. So guys, if you have applied for monetization on your TikTok account but you're facing this issue and you are unable to monetize your TikTok account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open your TikTok account and then tap on your profile, and from here you have to simply delete all those videos that are not eligible for your feed. So guys, check all of your videos and check if there are any ineligible videos for your feed, then you have to simply delete all of them. So guys, do this, and after this you have to open your appeal section again and monetization from here, and from here you have to simply tap on reapply. So guys, reapply after deleting that videos from your TikTok account and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open your TikTok again and then tap on three lines button, tap on settings and privacy, and then scroll it below all the way, and from here tap on support. And from here you can see you can easily get support from the TikTok team from here. So guys, simply tap on help center, and from here you can get any help from the TikTok team regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.